out in it.
Is Ari in the snow?
It is.
February 13th, 2010. Ariana in the snow. And there's Kylie. Hi, Kylie. The snow is kind of melting today. It snowed yesterday, huh? Yeah. Is it freezing, Ari?
There we go. And now the snow isn't.
Today she's a little bit more sure of the snow. She didn't know what it was yesterday. It was scary. Yeah, so you still don't really like it. It's cold. Ari! You want to touch it? Look, you can eat some. You want to eat it? Want to eat it? Want to taste it? No, she says no. Get it away from me. Can you try to give her a bite of it? Huh, Kylie?
Eat it.
She said, no, it's cold.
Well, I like the taste of it.
Yeah, you like the taste of it?
Those tops are yummy.
Hi, Ari. Hey, pretty girl.
Oh, no.
Yeah, Kylie's been eating the snow all day today and all day yesterday, huh? Ari. Hey. You want to go over there with Kylie? Oh, you did taste it, huh? What'd you think?